video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files or pictures in Hotmail, a task that's both fundamental and straightforward once you get the hang of it. Whether you're sending important documents for work or sharing memorable photos with friends and family, knowing how to attach files in Hotmail is an essential skill. So let's jump right in and take this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the Outlook login page. Outlook is part of the Microsoft 365 suite, and if you've used Hotmail in the past, you'll be familiar with the transition to Outlook's platform. Once you're at the login page, go ahead and click on Sign In. If you're using a personal computer and it's safe to do so, you might also enable the feature to stay signed in for quicker access in the future. Just enter your email address and password to access your mailbox. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions during login. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook homepage. This is where you usually check your messages, organize folders, and manage your mailbox activities. For today, our focus will be on sending a new message. Click on the New Mail button, typically located in the top left corner of your screen. This will open a blank email form ready for you to fill out with your recipient's email, a subject line, and your main message content. You can also format your text or add emojis if you want to make your message more engaging. Now comes the crucial part, attaching files to your email. Directly within this new mail window, look for an option that says Attach or Attach Files. It's usually represented by a paperclip icon, so it's fairly easy to spot. Click on this icon and you'll be prompted to either upload files from your computer or choose them from your OneDrive if you have files stored in Microsoft's cloud service. Choose the files or pictures you need to attach by locating them on your device or selecting them directly from OneDrive. Once selected, these will begin to upload and attach to your email. You'll notice a progress bar showing the upload status, which helps confirm that the files are attaching correctly. You'll see them listed within the email draft. If needed, you can remove any attachment by clicking on the small X next to each file name. At this point, double check that the file is attached correctly. A quick preview or a glance at the file name can assure you that the right attachment is heading to your recipient. If your files are too large, consider compressing them or using OneDrive links for easier delivery. Once you've composed your message, included all necessary attachments, and you're confident about the content, simply hit send. And there you have it. Attaching files or pictures in Hotmail through Outlook is as easy as that. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to send any number of files or photos efficiently. Remember, staying organized with file names and sizes makes your emails more professional and easier for recipients to manage. Happy emailing!